Good morning or good evening. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. Good to see everybody. And we have a new member in the Winners Club. Javad Hussein. Oh, welcome. Red. Hey, good morning. Welcome. Good to see you back. All right. Let's start this off. Oh, nice little Monday here. So, Tron, hey. Cold hard cash, we're going to do something about that. Farhad, good morning. And Ali's here. Welcome, Ali. Okay. Let's start the day. Just a second. Let me set up my charts on the left screen as well. Okay. It's done. Caleb, hey there. Welcome. Welcome. Okay. Beautiful London Open, hopefully. Tamimi, good morning. Welcome, Tamimi. Good to see you. So, basically, this is the first official week of the year. It's good to be back for a full week of trading, right? Anyway. Let's see some charts and what's happening in the market. First of all, let me just show this to everybody that on the 1 hour chart, so this is the 1 hour chart NQ, we're gonna go to gold as well. So 1 hour chart NQ, if you look to the left, and here is the 30th of December, there's a bearish fair value gap with the 1 hour candle here. So if we put the marker here, the middle of this fair value gap has rejected price right there. And so I think draw on liquidity would be right there at 68. That's where I think we're heading. I'm pretty much confident that the middle of that 1 hour fair value gap, so this is the 1 minute chart right now. I just jumped into the 1 minute. As you can see, hold on. As you can see, how far are we from the middle? 20 points away. I think that's the draw on liquidity for now. Unfortunately, I'm a little bit too late to enter a trade, but I'm just jumping all around here. Satoshi, good morning. And Naomi, good to see you, Naomi. Welcome. Good morning. So that's where I would put the target. There's a small little fair value gap that can be used as, you know, a possible area to take off. So on the 5 minute, it could be a good entry. Risk to reward wise, well, who knows? You know, maybe. There is just a second. Oh, I have to open the charts. My quant hour is all over the place. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, so that's what I think we're going to. up there to 60. I would say 68 would be a good target. Yeah. Yeah, somewhere up there. 36. I'm just measuring some levels here. Rafael, good morning. Good to see you. How was my weekend? It was great. I was trying to sleep and rest for the week. Sorry, markets closed on Thursday. General run due to for former U.S. president. Oh, I heard something about that too, but I wasn't sure. So is it gonna be closed? January 7th, January 8th. Nothing on Forex Factory, but I don't know, on the 9th of January. Yeah, I'm looking at this is the 6th, 7th, 9th of January. Nothing about it on Forex Factory. Seems like we have some US, so no bank holiday, but I guess it could mean that partially the markets will closes early. Okay. Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, thank you for the info. Okay, so they're closing early. Early close. Just a second, I have to check on my trade copiers here. Okay. All right. It's working. I wasn't sure about my charts here. Okay, never mind. I just thought that I have some kind of an error on the chart about some delay. Nathan, good morning, and Bowser is here. Yo, what's up? Good morning, good morning. Welcome. So, as I told you guys, I think we could be heading into that 1 hour CB up there. And Nissim is here. Hey, Nissim just entered the building. Welcome. So far, this 5-minute gap is holding right there. So it could be pushing all the way up to 68. I entered a small long position, very small one. This is my usual probe trade. Let me get this. Here it is. Bum, 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 bum. So I just want to see this one go up to the middle of that 1 hour CB to retest that level. I think we should be retesting it. If not, it's okay. It's fine. It's fine. But let's look at the 1 hour again. So we have this 1 hour fair value gap. And up there we have a bearish order block. So that's also a very significant level. And I think maybe not now, maybe not to the, how far is that, by the way? Yeah, 330, 40, 80, 50-ish area. So more than 300 points. Maybe not today, but throughout the week, I would expect that 1 hour level to be completely taken out, you know. So we'll see about that. That doesn't mean anything for today. For today, I just want to see that oh, come on, where is it? Sorry guys, I just want to see that 1 hour CB midpoint being taken, and that's it. Small little trade here just to start off the Monday fresh, you know. It's always good. And I don't even know I want to take partials on this one. I don't think I will. I'm just going to keep this position. If it closes above 56, maybe I'm going to move it to break even. Maybe, or maybe lower my, actually I can do that now. I'm going to lower my stop right there. By the way, I don't know what's going on, but my quant tower is acting up weird. So I might have to restart it. And we don't have any special news in the London session now. All we have is, hold on a second. Yeah, nothing. We have Italian bank holiday and German CPI number, but we don't know when. And US PMI numbers later, of course, somewhere before 9. Okay, it will be 9:45 a.m. Eastern Standard. So, Miracle, good morning. Welcome. By the way, I'm still trying to gather some strength because I want to go to the gym after the stream. I need to go, man. Oh, it's gonna be hard. Next trades, Friday high. Yeah, most likely. We have the Friday. Oh, there you go. Wow. We just popped. I want to take profit at the mid level of that 1 hour sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. The thing is, I don't know if I should put this to break even or not. I mean, we popped the high. Obviously, it can go down again now. But I like to see the mid-level being wicked into. I want to see a reaction on the mid area of that gap. Kim, hey, doing good. Welcome. Good to see you. Take off your shirt and flex. I can't now. That's gonna be only on the OnlyFans page. So, you know, later. I definitely, I'm already afraid of the criticism. I have to lose weight so bad. Miranda, hey, I'm actually on a treadmill. Whoa, that is awesome. Yeah, I'm going. Actually, I already. Oh, come on, what is this? I have my earplugs, Bluetooth earplugs already charged. So I'm going to listen to some music. I have my cardio watch as well. Everything is ready. I have a backpack. You can maybe see it on the camera right there. There's a backpack behind me on the couch. Right there. So getting ready to go to the gym after the stream. But most likely I have to do a lot of cardio because of losing weight. So yeah. Shock of the hour. It could be. I think Methodical Man calls it shock of the hour, but yeah, this is the shock of the hour maybe. When OnlyFans, I'm gonna let you guys know. All right, I'm gonna let you. I'm already creating the content. Wink. So it's good for trading too. Awesome. Do you recommend? Of course. I mean, I so far they are paying out everybody, so everything seemed to be smooth. So yeah, I'm also trading with them. So the only issue is that I can only trade with Tradeify for now. So not Tradeify, come on, Tradeawait. So I can't put it to my quant hour. So I usually trade it in the US session on a web browser. A little bit uncomfortable for me. I know many of you guys love Tradeawait. It's a little bit uncomfortable for me yet, but I'm still trading with them. They're paying out everybody. I just don't have a custom code. But if you'd like to support, click on my link. January promo is the code JAN. So if you click on the link, use the code JAN, give some credit. I emailed them several times, but I still don't have my custom code ready. Weight training actually burns fat faster. Really? I have a friend at the gym. He actually works there, and he keeps saying me the same thing. Like I'm saying, I'm always telling him, like, hey man, I don't want to push so many weights because you know, I don't want to build too much muscle at the beginning. Obviously, later on, yes. First, I want to lose weight. I want to burn fat. I want to lose weight, and he keeps telling me I need to lift more weights because that's the fastest way to burn the fat. But I keep telling myself, why don't I just do some more cardio? I don't know. Anyway, obviously he's the expert and I'm not, so most likely you're not. Yeah, I'm gonna be totally dead. Yeah, maybe not, Kim. Anyway, I'm looking for this trade. You know what? F it. I just took off 2 micros. I know I shouldn't. There. I'm gonna move the stop to break even. It's on a funded account, so I wanted to start the Monday nicely, so at least I took it on a funded. So trades, marker size small. Okay, so there is the level where I took off a partial. I still believe that it should be testing that level. It's just show up and start. You will lose weight if you are consistent. Exactly. That's what I'm thinking too. Even if I just show up and start, you know, I can do it. Soft looking skin, you're probably I'll try to do my best. Just another pickup guy. Good morning, Servus. Ooh, at nighttime there. Yeah. Optimal trade entry, retesting the OTE level. Yeah. Just show up and turn around. Yeah. Oh man, I wish I could be there in Florida. I wish. I so want to get to Florida someday to visit. Lift weights and weight your food. All right. Yeah, so he keeps telling me that I need to lift weights. That's the fastest way to burn fat. So, yeah. Grand Rising, folks. Hey, legal tender, what up? I'll give my life to make it right. Again, Aussie show. Just another pickup guy is a fellow Hungarian trader in Florida. It's freezing there. Right now we have a bit of a warm air today. So yesterday it was -2 degrees Celsius most likely, and -1, -2 degrees Celsius. Today, this early morning, there is +4, 5, 6 degrees Celsius, and in the afternoon they're saying 14, 15 degrees Celsius. So yeah, he's right. Cardio and diet. Yeah, Nintendo, welcome. Best DJ in town is here. Good morning. And installed Windows. Oh, really? Switch to Quantower and already love it. Great. Awesome. Best DJ in town. That's great. I'm still, by the way, I'm still on Windows 10. I didn't switch to Windows 11 yet. I'm still on the good old Windows 10, but I need to switch, I think, because they said Microsoft is going to stop with the updates this year. Yeah. You're in DC. Nice snow. Awesome. Yes, I'm in a long position, but I already took a partial. The plan here, so let me show you guys. The plan here, for those of you who are just popping in. So if we look at the 1 hour chart and look to the 30th of December, if we look at this, there's a bearish fair value gap on the 30th of December. Now, on the same day, price tested the mid-level. Now, that's not, that's not random, I think. Price tested the mid-level. It got rejected nicely. Multiple times tried to test it. I think this will be the time to test the mid-level of that fair value gap. Now, what happens after that, I don't know. But if you look at the big picture and you look a little bit again to more to the left, to basically the 27th of December, right after Christmas, yeah, we can say it's a supply area or bearish order block. You can call it whatever. I like these areas when it looks like this. You can also rewind your charts and just, look at whenever you see something like this is a good target. I'm not saying today we're going there, but first we need to test some levels and need to reprice some levels here. Obviously it can go down and sweep the Asia lows or whatever, but I thought that, why not test the 68? That was the plan. So right now I jumped back down to the 1 minute chart. So this is a 1 hour CB mid-level up there, which I'm looking for, and that was the idea behind the trade. So let me get back to the chart right here. So I took a partial because I thought maybe it can sweep some levels down there, but that's it, Yeah, Windows 10. I gave you Win 11. I will send you. Oh, you don't need to do that, Nissim. It's all right, because don't worry about it, Nissim. Thank you so much. Thank you, Nissim. But thank you, really. I can buy a license here from a Hungarian software company. I'm gonna buy a clean license just in case something happens. I can always check with them, but thank you. But if you want to give to Best DJ, you sell these licenses. Yeah. Anyway, I still have to upgrade my computer. Windows 95 CD. The other day, I just saw a TikTok video about a Windows 95 computer booting up. That was really exciting. You know, when I was a kid, actually, when I was a kid, we had a guy in the street, and he was one of the first ones who were having Windows computer, and he was using Windows 3.1 or 3.11, something like that. And after that, there was Windows 95. So I remember those days, how the computer booted up, you know. Oh my God, like it was yesterday. And by the way, when I was a kid, I was having a Commodore 64. Who had a Commodore 64? I had a Commodore. And my games were on a tape. My video games what I was playing with was on a tape. Oh, you work with Microsoft. Wow. That's awesome. Nintendo. That was the biggest thing in my childhood. Wow. Well, how old was I? I was like 12 years old, something like that. 12 years old or something. 11 or 12, something like that. 11 or 12 years old, and it was expensive, by the way. In my time, it was expensive, but my parents were nice to me, and I bought it used. I mean, not me. My parents bought it for me used. But it was good. It was good. So I was having I also had a Commodore Plus 4. Guys, imagine that. A Commodore Plus 4. You can Google it. Commodore Plus 4. I had that. Actually, I'm going to show you. You guys will be amazed how that looks like. Oh yeah, this was it. This was it. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. I can't believe that. I can't believe this. Do I have a bigger resolution picture about this? Jesus Christ. This was the Commodore Plus 4. So I had a computer like this. Commodore Plus 4. Look at how awesome this is. And I had tapes. Tapes. You had to put in the tape, and that's how you loaded up the video game. That's how you played it. So I had this one. I had this. Damn, I'm old. I'm freaking old, man. I'm freaking old. Oh. Anyway. Should I obviously hide the power cable? Oh yeah, something like that. Something like that. Any New Year's resolution? Definitely. I have many things for the new year I want to achieve, and then some plans and how to line ourselves up for the new year. One of those is obviously to be much more patient for the new year. Trade small, step by step. I have to get rid of the revenge trading. And this is why the daily recap, maybe it's not going to be daily, but the recap videos, oh, we hit the TP. So the recap videos are going to come back. And because the recap videos helps me to be more transparent and not to go crazy. And actually, I'm going to talk about the accounts separately. So I'm going to show the accounts, you know, to you guys how I'm doing with each of the accounts that I'm funded with. So yeah, and I have some other stuff as well. I have a small video. It's still not ready. Everybody started to upload the New Year videos and the plans and the reviews. I haven't yet, but it will be done. Hold on, let me. I yeah, I prefer PS5, you know. Szerintem próbáld ki egyszer. Just another pickup guy thinks on streaming too. Duck Hunt. Yeah, Naomi, that was it. Yeah, I was inserting the tapes. Just, you know, type into the YouTube Commodore 64 and you will find videos of how it works exactly. And that's how I did it. On the same boat, yeah. Exactly. Kids are not even... The world is going to completely change. So computers, as of they are right now in their shape and form, are going to completely change in 30 years. I think the computers are going to be in our head. We're going to be wearing some, I don't know, eye patch or some brain implantation or something. I don't know. But the computers in the current shape or form, I think they're going to change drastically. You know. Yeah, it was a good trade. So we got to the 1 hour CB, and right now, I think I might gonna look for possible short opportunities. We still have some good levels. We have new week opening gap down there. Yeah, technology Nintendo is moving so fast, and yeah, that's what I think too. Én csak egy alap 1080-as kamerát használok, semmi extrát, csak egy sima alapkamerát, semmi különöset, totál alapot. Sőt, sokáig egy 720-as sima kamerával nyomtam, egy pár ezer forintossal, 10 dolcsis kamera. Just another pickup guy was just asking what kind of camera I use for streaming. Basically, well, I upgraded because I was using a $10 720p camera for years because I was streaming in 2018 on Twitch as well. And I had the same camera, and now I upgraded to a $15 camera, and that's 1080 right now, 1080p camera. So I invested $15 into the new webcam. Neural, yeah, exactly. Oh yeah, that's what I was reading, Kim. Neuralink, yeah. Somewhere I was reading an article that these neural link systems and computers are coming. Yes, Nintendo, brain computer interface, whatever, you know, you will implement some chips or whatever into your brain, and basically you will just be sitting at the couch, and you will be like and you know, watching the wall, and you will be like on the computer or something like that. I used to go outside. Yes, exactly, Nathan. You know, when we were kids, we were playing outside on the streets or wherever, you know. I grown up in a small village, so we were always outside, always. I'm old, damn it. I'm freaking old. I'm freaking old. I have to do some plastic surgery soon, maybe. Exactly, Kim. Kim, believe me or not, we had, you know, we were climbing up a friend of mine had some big trees at the back of their garden, some huge trees, and we were climbing up to the tree, and we were trying to quote unquote, double quote unquote, build some kind of a, I don't know, base or something. I don't know, some kind of a little, not house or bunker or something, but some kind of a thing on the tree, you know. And we were on the tree like monkeys, like we were just hanging on the trees and trying to build some base there or whatever. And oh my god, crazy times. I was like 8, 9, 10 years old. Jesus. Good times. Yeah, you know, Kim, exactly. Still exploring. Still exploring. All right. Targeting the 700. Yeah, let's see. 700. Good area. 700, nice round number. And actually, I'm looking for this high at 743 to be taken out maybe today. But I told you guys, if you look to the left on the 1 hour chart, look at that area up there. Again, I'm not saying it's going to happen today, but throughout the week, this is a very, very tempting area to be going for, sorry. So right now, because we pushed higher and we still have the London Open ahead of us, I would like to see some orders being swept, to be honest. I'd like to see some orders to be swept. This was the entry area on the 5 minute that I took. And well, let's look down here. Can we call this Asia low? I know it's not official, but I'm gonna call this Asia low. All right, this is gonna be my Asia low. All right, Asia low 478. According to my concepts, I'm gonna release my own concepts. So anyway, the Sabo concepts. Anyway, I consider that as Asia low. As for the 5 minute chart, everything has been efficiently repriced. Now there's one area here on the 5 minute that is a bit of interesting. Right here on the midnight level, Eastern Standard Time, we have kind of like a bullish order block here. This one shifted structure on the 5 minute. It's not a perfect one because it didn't really take liquidity, but I do like the push here. And this swing low, if, and that's a huge big if it starts to go down, I like to see this area being taken down to the 523s. And oh yeah, totally forgot. What do we see? You guys like this, right? What do we see? When I saw this from ICT on Twitter or from someone else, I got freaked out so much. Everybody was posting, what do you see? You know, charts all over Twitter. Anyway, what do you see here? I see unbalanced price range in London. London, baby. So if you see this in London, especially on a 15-minute chart, now let's get some confirmation from where is it? 526. Oh yeah, there you go. We have the confirmation from the mini as well. So we see it on the mini as well from 527 on the 15-minute chart. That could be a good target. Okay. So low-hanging fruit for the shorts would be 527. Okay. And now I'm going to look for possible reversals. Let me put that. And this is going to be my plan. Structure shift, whatever, and then going down. I'd like to see this. Something like that. Let me read the chat. Sorry. Seems like we all experience trying to build a tree house. Yeah, sorry, my English is obviously not too good. Tree house. I could have just said tree house, right? We wanted to build a tree house. Exactly. I'm sending you a very important email. Please share and see how prop firms are trying to get us the traders. All right. Send it. Saw Robinhood building a futures trading app. Oh, really? That's awesome. Trader Monk, welcome. You're a good. Trader Monk, also fellow Hungarian trader. Okay, I got your email. I got your email. And let me put this here. So this is what Best DJ in Town sent me. Little research found that company owns the platform. What company owns the platform? Yeah, that's Project X. Project X owns these platforms. Trying to get traders to switch their platform is the platform shares information with prop firms if someone is long on NQ. Yeah, I heard this theory. Yeah. So all I heard, and this is just rumor, is that Project X is sharing the information in between prop firms. This should be illegal. Individual positions with the attached and from website. This is another way prop firms trying to get us. Oh yeah. Position orders and more. Our platform has cross-firm risk monitoring. There you go. So Project X, which is Top Step X or any kind of X platform, you have Bulenox, I think other platforms, other prop firms are putting this too. They are sharing information. Trading on firm A, firm B, the same exact time. We will alert both firms of potential fraudulent behavior. Yeah, this sounds good, but they also use this information. Project X is going to use this information to screw the traders. You know, that's what I think. But thank you for the email. That was very useful. That's very useful information. Important for people. Yeah, so I never used Top Step X or Project X platform on any prop firm. I see that more and more prop firms are, I think even Tick Trader now put them on. Let me check it. Tick Trader. Yeah, they have Project X too. So even Tick Trader, I'm not saying that, oh my god, Tick Trader is, obviously they're business oriented too, but more and more prop firms are installing Project X. So, you know. They cannot do it because it's two different prop firms. So they are telling my positions with one prop firm to another. Yeah. So this, yeah, exactly. Top Step X is basically Project X. I'm guessing that they paid some extra money, so they could have rebranded, but the same exact company is providing trading platform to these futures prop firms, and this company is Project X, and which is great. I mean, obviously, if the platform works okay, no problem. The question is, what are they going to use it for? Are they going to use this platform to mess around with the prop firm traders? Or are they really going to use this to stop fraudulent behavior? You know, I don't know. But anyway, I never tried Project X, not even with Top Step X. So I don't know how it's going or how it's working currently. But I guess, you know, there introduction, they said people would be able to trade even a mini. That's, oh wow, that's too much, you know. That would be too much to trade one mini with $100. But you know why they're doing it? Because they want people to fail on those accounts. So yes, it sounds good, like, oh yeah, we can trade one mini. But obviously it's more about how fast can you lose that account, you know, or that money or that profit. So be careful. And by the way, one thing for the new year, and I'm gonna put this into my video. And I'm gonna show you guys something. I'm super eager to make some new videos because I got I'm gonna show you my Christmas present from my girlfriend. She bought me an awesome stuff that I can use to provide some. Anyway, I'll be right back. There it is. All right. So here it is. Guess what it is? Oh, micro. Oh, that's good. Micro. Okay then. So this is what I got for Christmas. Let me show you guys. I can't wait to make some videos. Look at this. It's a gimbal. You know. It's a gimbal, so I can actually, and it has a tripod too, and I can actually put my phone on this one. For example, I'm super excited to make some videos with this. And okay, so I put it here and somewhere like this, and there, boom. I can make some awesome videos. I never had a thing like this, but I guess it helps to stabilize some videos and such. So great Christmas present. I can't wait to make the new walks and talks videos with this, and some vlog videos as well. So I'm super excited. Awesome stuff. Nice. Okay. So that was my Christmas present. Yeah. Yeah, it's really awesome. I did some test videos with it, and it's really stabilizing the picture and everything. The video is very good. So I just have to get used to it. You know, it has automatic detection of movement and stuff. So it's very good. People able to trade micro with $100. Oh, 100. Like 1,000 minute probability, like Tradeaway. Oh yeah. So Tradeaway, I heard that they're also doing cheap quote unquote cheap accounts, like low deposits. Yeah, it's really awesome. What's the name of it? It's DGI. DG. I think I have the soft. It's DGI. That's the brand. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it's DGI. But other than that, I have no idea which model is this. But it looks okay. I definitely like it, and I can't wait to make some videos for you guys. So I still have my old phone, so I might have to change it to a new phone. But you know, the camera is still okay. Now the only thing maybe I'm gonna do an upgrade is about the microphone. So I need to do something about the microphone, because obviously the phone's microphone, especially if I'm filming on insides or not walking outside somewhere in the park. So maybe I should use like a clap on, or what is that? A clap microphone, but a good one. I don't know. I have to upgrade it. DJI Osmo. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah, it's magnetic. Yeah, it's magnetic. Yes. Option 1, basically the option 2 is end of day trailing, Farhad. End of day trailing, and it has a daily loss limit. I think $1,200 or $1,100. So basically, like a Top Step copycat is the option 2 account. End of day trailing, but it has a daily stop loss, which is a soft rule, a daily loss limit. But that's it. If Bulenox doesn't allow copy trading from prop firm accounts, do you think copy trading from my own personal life? I don't know, Izzle boy. The only thing, so you can ask support, but in the master account agreement, it says you can only copy trade from one Bulenox to another Bulenox account. It doesn't says anything about personal account. So if we go by strictly with the master account agreement, you know, it would say like you cannot, but you can ask support, like just ask them. I'm definitely sure they will reply, and you can ask them about that. Yeah. The real folks is here. It's not allowed to trade Apex and Bulenox. No, it's not allowed. Riddle. Well, at least Bulenox came out with this rule in December, I think, or late November. They changed the rules. No copy trading is allowed in between other prop firms and Bulenox. So vice versa, from Bulenox to other prop firm, or from other prop firm to Bulenox. Only copy trading is allowed at Bulenox. Qualification to master account, or master account to qualification account. That's the only thing that they allow. Now, I'm not an expert. I'm not a computer geek or whatever, but how would they know? I mean, I know, for example, someone told me that Replicanto has a stealth mode, which means it doesn't really, it's not leaving any kind of, you know, ID or magic number or whatever on the trade. So how would they know? I don't know. But anyway, take your time. This. Again, yeah. So yeah. Just another pickup guy. It's I think we could be seeing some some change here in direction. I don't know. Yeah, you're welcome, Riddle. Yeah, it's crazy. Project Bulenox will know for sure. Rhythmic accounts not for sure. Yeah, with the rhythmic accounts, exactly. I don't know. So I'm not sure about the Quant Hours copy trader. It might be leaving some traces when it opens up the order or closes the order. I don't know. For example, back in the days when I was using expert advisors for even for copy trading on MetaTrader, many times, obviously you can turn that off as well. It was leaving a magic number or some kind of an idea that it was a copy trade. But for Rhythmic and for Quant Hour, does it leave some kind of a trace that it was a copy trade? I'm not sure. But someone told me that Replicanto has this stealth mode, which I don't know. I don't know if it works or not, but interesting. Uh, yeah, by the way, best DJ in town? I think so too. I think so too. I think Rhythmic is sharing information. But this is just, it's not confirmed. This is just something I would say so. It would make sense to build up more business with the prop firms, you know. Here's a way to get around it. Put your order for Bulenox, then immediately put the order for another prop firm this way. The order times are close but different. You can't say it's copy trade. Yeah, maybe. There is no way. The only field that can be marked is a comment field. Yeah, so there's a comment field, and that's why I'm not sure. The only explanation would be, and thanks for the info, Ra. The only explanation would be if Rhythmic gives out the information. I don't know. Oh, there you go. There you go. Ra knows Rhythmic protocol. Okay, so the only solution would be for them is like if Rhythmic would give out the information. Quanta will leave no traces. Okay. Thank you, Ra. That's useful information. STD szinted? Az STD, az micsoda az STD? Bocsi, csak most lassú vagyok. Ahol belépte erre. So this is where I enter the trade to go long. Currently, I am waiting for a structure shift to go short, to be honest. My final target, if I go short, would be down there at 527. And by the way, do I want to enter early on this one? Maybe. I took a very, very, very small trade to go short, and with the intention to hold it all the way down to 27. $28 actually. Very, 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 very small trade. Only risking like 40 bucks. But it's on a funded account, and if I win, I can make like 160. If you ask me the reason why I did that, the one reason is because I'm crazy. The second reason because I'm crazy, and the third reason is I saw this. Oh, damn. Right there. And there was also a market structure shift that I kind of liked on this level here. So I do like that shift. We took out some levels here, and it's starting to shift now. And so I'm looking for that 15-minute. You know what? Just for the sake of it, I'm gonna modify it to 30.75. Okay, but it's a long way to go. If it goes low probability trade, that's why I'm risking very small. I don't know what's their problem with copy trading. I don't know. I have no freaking idea. Think about how much business those short firms are giving. Oh yeah, definitely. They are. The only way they may know if they're sharing information across, which is, yeah, that's why I'm saying it could be very possible that Rhythmic is sharing information. Yeah, but you know, prop firm business is not regulated, so they can share everything they want. So the activation fee for the funded account is $148 on the 50K account. On the 25K is $140, John. The 140. The $100,000 account is 200 and something dollars, but I wouldn't go above 50K with Bulenox. Standard deviations in. Okay. Swing higher, swing rational. Aha, értem. Én nem is figyeltem azt. London opens, anything can happen, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, exactly, igen. Így van. Miracle says it's going up. It can very well be possible. I'm just looking for a sweep to take orders from down there, but obviously it can still push it way up there. Oh, nice, real folks. Awesome. Open, but no move so far, yeah. Oh, yeah. 2:07 a.m. low. Yeah. Yeah, 540. Looks nice down there. By the way, I wanted to copy trade this, but somehow it didn't. I don't know what's the issue. Somehow it did not copy trade. I'm running my copy trader. As you can see, it's working, but it didn't copy trade. I don't know why. I have this trade only on one single funded account, which might be a good idea, but usually these groups are working, so I don't know what could be the issue. Max, I completely agree with you. I want to see a nice flush here. And I'm going to see this to take out the 523. There's a 15-minute volume imbalance starting at 527. That would be my key target. But, you know, low-hanging fruit, this swing low. I mean, obviously the best low-hanging fruit is 540. 540. But I would say it should go and take out this low too. So, but it should be repricing that volume imbalance and then finally going for that swing at the midnight area. But I'll be off if it goes down. If it goes down, I'll be off from the trade here at 530.75. I'm not even going to take partials on this. Okay, I will take a partial on this. If it goes here, I'm gonna take a partial. But looks like it won't. Oh no. This is the London Open. Yeah, but maybe best to wait with the shorts. If we look higher, I'm almost out from the trade. We could still be... Okay, I'm out. This could still be repricing, you know. I am out officially from the trade. What happened here? Lost $43 in profit. But thank God, only on one account. Yeah, I was liking that opportunity there. I was really hoping for a nice elevator movement down there. But look at that. Maybe they released some numbers. We had that. Which number is that? German CPI, which I'm not sure if they released it already. Did they? Not yet, because we don't know when it's going to be released. Yeah. I'm not doing anything there. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for the next structure shift, obviously. Yeah, it went up there. I definitely like this move down there as it started to hope. I was hoping for this waterfall move to go down, but yeah. We had the macro here. I might have to recalibrate the copy trading here. I don't know, I might have to set it up again. Okay, so what I want to do is have a copy trader I'm gonna use this Apex account as a master account. All right, let's see. On working group 2. All right. All right. Maybe something is wrong with the Quant Hour copy trader right now, because earlier it didn't copy my trade, which is good in this trade. Yeah. Now could be maybe a sweep. Maybe a sweep, hopefully. Hoping for a sweep. Look at this go. Wow. And we haven't even looked at gold. We haven't even looked at gold. Is it going up? It seems like it is. Still going up. Okay, so repricing that CB. Looks bearish. Oh, totally forgot about gold. So I think we have a little bit of time to look into the gold chart because I haven't updated it. Let me put some levels. I always do this manually. Maybe I should have an indicator for it, but I like to do this manually. So I'm looking for Friday there. That would be previous day low. I'm gonna put in the midnight level here. Okay. And on the 1 hour chart, oh wow, okay. Okay. So that's where gold is going. Taking sell side. 26.36. Bullish order block is gonna take it out. Jeez. Whew. It's gonna take it out. Ladies and gentlemen, it's gonna take that out. Okay. Get ready. And NQ is going higher still. Oh wow. The way I look at gold is tempting. It is tempting. But NQ is just amazing. $606 resistance. Yeah. Could be. Could be. $597. But you know, when it's so close to 600, I think it should be popping that 600 maybe. Exit at 595. Let's go. Congratulations. Congratulations. I took a gold short. Targeting that 36.3, 36.1 would be obviously the good choice to go with. But it's super dangerous because if it pops up, then it's no good. But if I look to the left, it's a bullish order block as well. So there should be liquidity below 36.1. Question is how far is it going to reprice the gap? Yeah, New York session breaks the level. Yeah, usually I could see that happening here. Like London is going to try to keep it, push it. We saw that many times before. Tries to keep this, and in New York kill zone, maybe it will start to drop. Boom, all the way back down there. So I'm gonna be watching that level down there for sure. I don't know why I'm still looking for a structure shift to the downside, but I'm gonna wait. This might revisit 530. Could be. My bias for today, overall bullish, but before we go higher, I just wanted to see some orders being taken out. But overall, for the end of the day, I would stay bullish. But you know, the thing is with the bias, and I know ICT says it totally different, but I think that the daily bias is changing, and I know many of you are disagreeing. Like, I just cannot start the London session like, okay, today is gonna be a bullish day. That's it. Whatever is gonna happen, I don't care. It's gonna be bullish. And I just try to go long and long and long, and I just keep failing my positions because I decided in the morning that this is gonna be bullish. And I think it's not like that. I think that the bias is changing even multiple times throughout the day, and I'm not really looking for how the day. I know it goes against smart money concepts, but I'm not really looking for how the daily candle is going to close. And by the way, I do have the daily candle, of course, here, but I'm just looking for significant levels and looking for price to form a structure break or shift in the specified direction. For example, here we have some good levels lined up. If price forms a nice shift to the downside, I just take it. Oh man, this looks good. Well, maybe not, but still. So I'm definitely waiting for a possible short opportunity on NQ. Most likely, I hope I can get it on the 1 minute chart. But I need some form of a structure and some form of a displacement. And that's it. Now we have something here. This is kind of interesting. We had a small shift. Small shift here. Could be dangerous. Tempted to go short. Yeah, exactly, Miracle. Trump today. I'm gonna sign confirmed by the big room. Oh, okay. So very close to taking office. Is that going to change anything when he takes the office? I don't know. I'm just asking. What is happening during the day? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Low the day has definitely programmed, but the worrying aspect is the time, meaning the low can sometimes happen. Yeah, that's true. I mean, yeah. Yeah, I understand. And I would so like to go short on this. Good morning, Cedric. If you try to buy before New York when the low of the day is programmed, in New York it's not gonna go well. Yeah, that's true. That I agree. Beanie player, welcome. Good to see you back. Wondered a lot on ES at 610 on ES. Whoa. Okay. That's going to gravitate price. By the way, we had a shift here again. Yeah, that's a decent size in London session. Took profits, making the market to fall, and people also say, yeah. Do you like long on support or breakout? Well, you know, if there's a good support area, there's also always good to go long, but you know, depends. Okay, I entered a short position here, very small one again. Small position. I'm still attached to the idea to go short. 5. Let me check the 540. Maybe down to, what was that? 527. Yeah, that could be good. Oh man. My gold trade is closed, by the way. I'm in a drawdown of $140 in profit. So I don't think I'm going to push it too far after this. Because so I went short because I like these levels down there. There was a minor structure shift up here, and we have some volume imbalances on the downside, and we have some very good swing lows. At the 540 and 527 would be the final target, but 531 looks okay too. That's why I went short, and that's it. Those are the main reasons. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you. Here's the trade. I'm actually thinking to move this right there, 30.7. We targeted 30.75 earlier, so If it doesn't really want to sweep those levels, it's fine. I take the blame. We have the 62 as well, which could be a good area to move my position to well, let's just say if it breaks 72, 75, I'm gonna move my stop to 85. Try to manage it from there. Yeah, could be a good idea to wait for New York. I'm moving my stop, lowering the risk. Maybe I even gonna take partial since I managed some to take some losses, unfortunately, this morning. So this is what I don't like when I'm going into recovery mode. You know, I make some stupid trades, and then the session is all about recovering from losses. So I need to take some profit, and I'm gonna leave a runner because I'm copy trading this on funded accounts, and I just need to recover some of the losses. Maybe the New York session will do some better, but yeah, Ezekiel, I understand, but you know, short-term pullbacks could be happening, and you know, you're short on gold. Yeah, the problem is I messed up on the gold trade. I still think that gold should be getting that 2636.1 down there, but you know, it's pretty much repricing. There was no structure shift. Man, this is crazy. I really thought that this is gonna go and you know, take that level. Oh no, and now it's going to go up to 81.50 to reprice the volume imbalance, and my stop is way too close. But if it goes higher, then obviously it can make a new high. So that's why I pulled my stop lower a little bit. It was looking good for a little bit. Maybe I went in a little early. Maybe, yeah, I think so. I was really hoping for gold to drop. Morning, Michael. Yeah, that's why I was in such a huge dilemma. If I should pick up gold as well as a secondary market, because it actually doubles the risk. So my main market is going to be, for the time being, is going to be NQ, but in 24 last year, in October, November, I tried to pick up gold, and I'm still sometimes struggling. Gold is playing a dirty game now, pushing everybody, squeezing the short, squeezing up. And I think the squeeze could go all the way up to 2646 area. $562. Yeah. Yeah, maybe. We'll see. We still have time, obviously, from the London kill zone, plenty of time. So we'll see. We'll see. Hard to tell from here, but you know. I was really hoping that we will see a nice little drop here. But it's not doing it. It's not doing it. Oh no. This is what I was afraid of. So there is a volume, not volume, fair value, come on, liquidity void here. So now that it has been repriced, it's great. But unfortunately, I think it's also a bad sign. So that was the liquidity void right there. Unfortunately, my stop is in another liquidity void. Dude. Yeah, he's gonna reprice it. Most likely. Anyway, I lowered it. If it takes me out, it takes me out. You know, to think about it, after this nice little drop here, and by not taking that swing low, it's so typical. It's so typical, and the problem is it's gonna rebalance it up there because it's so close. So, yeah. Yeah. It is what it is. There you go. All right. Took my stop. It's not looking good this morning for me. I'm down almost 200 bucks. I don't understand. I don't understand what could have been the issue here. It was looking really good. It was really a nice trade. I liked it. And I still like it on the 5-minute. It looks okay. But we still have time, but yeah. Might drop 30% chance because it's very close to the, yeah. It happens. It happens. On the other hand, gold finished repricing that move. So I'm gonna be watching gold as well. Let's see, just a second. I'm trying to make some sense on my charts here. Okay, so NQ is looking to go higher. Add new week opening gap indicator from Fuddy and turn it on. Whatever you want. It's better than other one as it shows. Oh, really? I think I have it somewhere. But I have an indicator like that. Here is 40. Okay. All right. So you have it on. For now, I'm going to disable it just to check it out on the other chart here. By the way, on gold 1 minute chart, there was a shift in structure. So I took a short again on 39.7, but there's a liquidity void as well at 40.7 because I want to see gold go into this 1 hour fair value gap as sell side liquidity 36.1 down there. Very tight stop, small trade. I'm looking for gold to drop down now that it has repriced this move. Unfortunately, there is a gap that's left open at 40 until 40.8, but regardless, I entered the trade just in case if it would waterfall down to spike that liquidity down there, because it's also a 1 hour bullish order block. And so I like this level to being taken out, so I'm short on gold as well. Actually, I can show you guys in a second. What the Forex? Good morning. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Here's the trade. Now it's repricing that gap. We'll see how far it will go. This is where I was short, I guess. I don't know. But that's my gold trade. Good morning, Karsten. Welcome. Hey, I wish you the best too. I wish all the best for the whole week and for the whole year, of course. Some very, very profitable trades. Not like the ones I do this morning, but oh man. This is why it's good to go to the gym. I guess. I guess that's why we have to go to the gym. Okay, NQ pushing higher. Awesome. So no shift. It's just waiting. Yeah, the one that you see right here is on TradingView, because I like TradingView to charting or for charting. But this one, this is a gold trade. This is on Quant Hour. Now that you see here, this is a Quant Hour chart on gold, and but I use the same color. But this is Quant Hour, and this is TradingView. Oh, that, yeah, this is the it's called power of 3. So if you type in power of 3, that's where it is. HTF power of 3 from 2 degrees. I think they're good programming services. They're good. 11K users already. And it's free. And if you double click on it, the way that I use it is I use the New York Midnight. So that's the thing I use. It's on TradingView, yes. Yes, but it's free. I'm still nourishing the idea to go short. I know, but I'm still liking the idea to go short. But I'm waiting for a structure shift. That's it. So, gotta be patient. Take a look at 1 hour chart. There's a gap, 813. Oh, I mean, yeah, we were looking at this. $869. Excuse me. 813. I mean, we have a 1 hour gap, that's for sure. Way back up there. And we were talking about these levels that these could be important in the future. So I guess NQ wants to go there. And the top of this fair value gap would be at 640. So I guess the market structure shift is not happening anytime soon. Or maybe. Well, it seems like we're stuck here. Macro should be kicking in some volume in about 6 minutes, 5 minutes. But I think it's just unstoppable. We should be going through the 600 now. And And that's it. I'm still sitting in that gold short in the hope to break the 36.2. Well, maybe miracle. I'm gonna still be leaving my levels on here, and if we see a proper movement in that direction, I might going to take it later. For now, I'm just watching this SMTBDS. Yeah, looks like it. And by the way, on ES, oh yeah, we have also kind of like the same levels. We're pushing it. I wasn't. I mean, I was expecting a deeper pullback here, so that's why I thought that I was so close to take a partial on that short, but it's not giving us the opportunity. Everything pretty much got slow right now, and I'm in a well, not like a big one, but in a bit of a drawdown. And I might have to step to the sidelines if this one's gonna go even crazier. Damn it. Gold trade is not looking good. Unfortunate. Unfreaking fortunate. And NQ is unstoppably going higher as well. Anyway, let's just wait. Let's wait this out. Almost out from my gold position as well. This London Open is definitely going to be one of my not too good sessions in the past couple of weeks. Usually I tend to see some quite good levels and then take some decent trades, but somehow I just don't see it now. I don't know. I mean, the market does its thing, so there's nothing I can do with it. Took profit 300. Let's go. Let's go. I mean, NQ doesn't look like something I like to trade. Yeah, it's it could be happening. It could be happening. I'm not in NQ. I mean, I did not enter again. I'm still in the gold trade. Yeah, I feel like it can go up to 666 area. Yeah, kind of far, but with NQ you can never know. You know, it just keeps on moving without any sign of, you know, retracement or whatsoever. I'm out from the gold trade as well, unfortunately. So I'm down 337, so I'm stopping here. That's it. No more. No more. Switching to evaluation, I think. Too many losses on funded accounts, so no. No go. As much as I like to, I just can't. I still like the idea on gold that it should be sweeping the 1 hour low, but first it might want to do some damage higher, maybe even sweep the 43.7. So 1 hour imbalance all the way to 641. Yeah. Took long on the break. 330 up. Let's go. Exactly, Miracle. Tomorrow is another day. Have to do this properly, and the New York session might give something better. But I'm going to be definitely waiting here and, you know, try to take a trade on evaluations. I'll see. Yeah. I might open up my Tradeify account and try to fool around there. Well, Bulenox has 148, like Top Step has 149, right? So currently, that's the thing. But Apex also goes back to 125, I guess. Not sure. It's not confirmed. No structure shift here. So, as much as I would like to see something, this is not even a solid structure to break on NQ. Do you know when Apex will go back 80%? Well, no information about that. I wish we would know, but it's always out of a sudden, you know. They never say it before, so even when they do a flash sale, we can never know. But for now, yeah, it's 50% only. Feel like gold is gonna push even higher to 40, I don't know, 43.2. I guess it could. There's a swing point at 43.1, I think. Not quite sure. Anyway, the problem is that I am in drawdown, so I just can't do anything crazy here. Oh yeah, Ruse. I think because they go with that OFAC list, you know, which is, I think it's crazy, but that's what they're doing. So, especially because, you know, we have countries on that list which are full European Union countries like Croatia, Romania, Slovenia. For example, Slovenia is like in the European Union since 20 years and a full member of the union and actually doing good economically. Everything is great with them and they are still on the banned list. I don't understand. And Slovenia is a very important and good, healthy European Union country. And they're still on the banned list. I don't know why. I have no idea about that. Why they're doing it. Many Trader, hello. What's going on? Welcome, welcome. Spend to top prop firms like Top Step and Apex. We are allowed. Yeah, I don't know why is that. I don't know. Kind of crazy. Okay. So this morning I can fairly say that the gold trades as much as I wanted to see the 26.36 being taken out for liquidity have not been so good. So on the 5-minute we picked up liquidity from a fair value gap, but there is a bearish order block still which goes above 26.46. And NQ is just keeps on pushing. Let me switch to the 5-minute. No stopping. No, yeah, I might go back to sleep. Yeah, maybe that would be the best idea right now and wait for New York. So we have the new hour, we have equity open, but so far it just keeps on moving higher. I'm just wondering if gold wants to push to that 15-minute order block. Which is right here, I would say so. So we just entered at 43.5. The high would be at 46.3. Or is it going to turn around? We don't know. Yeah, 46. Maybe 46. I don't know. And NQ is unstoppable. How far are we gone from this area? 100 points up. What a push. Starting to believe that we are going to the 650s now. It happened with Take Profit. If your test is approved, there is a one-time 30 Pro account setup fee waived. Yeah. And you will need to sign the Pro Trader. Yes. Yes. So with Take Profit Trader, they extended the no activation fee. You can use the base code no fee 40, but if you use my code, that's even better. So, but yeah, there's no activation fee. So, came back. Have you determined which direction these things are? Well, no idea. I'm waiting. I'm still waiting on NQ. I was watching gold as well, so gold just made another push. I was actually looking gold because I wanted to take a short to take out that 26.36. But you know, what can we do? Oh, thank you, Michael. Come from Top Step. I struggle a bit with that trading drawdown. Any tips? Well, go for 2 things you can do, Michael. Go small size, you know, size down, and go for base hits. And that I mean, like, don't go for 5R or 3R trades. You know, 1.5 or 2R at maximum is definitely okay with intraday trading accounts. And so I know it sounds weird what I'm going to say to you, and everybody covered the ears because it's not it's building bad habits. But when it's a super cheap sale, for example with Bulenox right now with the option 1 accounts, you can get one for 15 bucks. You have to do some calculations, like, and you have to know your trading skills, like what are the chances, and you should do this in New York session when there's enough volume. What are the chances, for example, if you buy 3 or 4 accounts for whatever $50-$60 of passing one single account out of those 4 or 5 accounts, whatever. You know, if there's a good possibility, then I used to go for a full port on the evaluation. On the funded account, of course, it's the same thing. What I mean to say is just lower it down. It's gonna lock you in at 2600 anyway, and just go with micros. That's what I would do. Tron says 0. All right, Tron. Now we know at least that, you know, Tron doesn't know how to trade, but don't worry, just joking. But still, yeah. So you have to calculate this as also an investment, but on the funded account, of course, it's the same. So small size, lower risk to reward ratio, risk management. That's what it's all about, you know. Yeah, once you're funded, then definitely size down. I do the same thing. I mean, if there's a super cheap sale on Apex or Bulenox, those are the ones that are giving these cheap sales, obviously. Then I go crazy on the evaluations. I don't care, I just boom, I just go in. And then I got a few funded accounts, whatever, and I try to, you know, go step by step as much as I can. Obviously, there could be bad days, but that's why I say if I make like $200 or 100 and even 150 on a funded account, I just call it a day. I move to the next funded account maybe, or to an evaluation account. Keep it real. Yeah. But for example, on a take profit trader account, or on a MyFundedFutures account, or other prop firms which are having evaluations for a little bit higher price, then obviously don't go crazy on those accounts. Have to do it properly, proper risk management. So, but this is part of the process. By the way, while NQ is pushing it to the moon, interesting to see what gold is doing. I mean, I'm guessing, including myself, everybody was trying to short, especially after this candle at 330. Everybody was trying to short gold. Now instead, and that's why gold is a B, the word I'm looking for is B. Gold is doing some dirty moves all the time, and I remember gold was always like this. So when I was expecting it to sweep for that sweet little liquidity down there at 36.1, gold just says, no, I'm gonna go for the stops here. So now it's going for the stops. Whatever. And you know what? I can also imagine that gold is going to sweep the high at 26.47. It's just so close that it's horrendously close right there. Now, this is on the 15-minute chart and 15-minute CB. And I think gold tries to take that level. This is like absolute rocket science, right? It wants to go for it, everybody. That's where it wants to go. And he's gonna take it, whether you like it or not. What can we do, right? I'm not entering. I'm just saying that that's where I think gold is heading to. That's the only place that would make sense. Let's start 26. What's the high there? 47.7. Yeah, 47.7-ish area. That's where it's going. That's where gold is heading to. Trust me. Trust me, bro. Yeah, I tend to do that too when I copy trade in groups like 2 or 3 accounts. And whether it be on a winning streak or a losing streak, I'm trying to rotate, you know. Yeah, I know it's an interesting style, but I like to do that because it helps me to deal with the emotions. So even if I'm on a losing streak on 1 or 2 account, or maybe 2 or 3 accounts when I'm copy trading, which I don't really like, I switch to another group or another account. Yeah. Tonight you're bored. Yeah, I mean, gold should be picking liquidity from that area up there. Look at how close it is. Very close. Like 47 point. I don't know what is exactly. That's a 15-minute gap. I don't even know if there's a 5-minute. There's a 5-minute gap too. So the draw on liquidity would definitely be, there could be some high resistance liquidity up there. But we'll see. Yeah, 47.7 could be. Otherwise, nothing special. NQ is just pushing it. NQ keeps on pushing it to the top. And I see no sign that it's gonna fall back down. Absolutely no sign of that. I can fairly say that it was definitely not my kind of morning. Until now. Hopefully it will not be even worse. NQ tricked me. I was so much sold on the short idea. But the good thing is I'm not chasing it right now, so I'm definitely not gonna chase it. And it's just going. All right, gold is gonna push it. Actually, it did, right? You went for it. Hey, congratulations. Congratulations. Age of Nuggetsu. Awesome. It should be taking out the 47.7, but yeah, I guess the real move, however, it was looking like a dirty move, but I should have seen it before that it wants to go for that 15-minute CB up there. No sign of, maybe if it would go down to pick up some liquidity from lower, well, I don't know. I don't want to chase it, so I'm not gonna jump in. But saving my strength to the New York session. It wasn't the best start for me, that's for sure, for the week. But it will get better, I'm sure. I'm sure about it. Bassett, hey, good morning. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Okay, gold is pulling back a little bit, not too much. Maybe it's just picking up liquidity. Most likely. Could be picking up some orders. There was a structure shift here, so let me just, I'm just looking at gold because NQ is just going for the moon. 50% level is down at 2643.3. But to be honest, if it would go down there, I don't know, maybe I would consider to look for that short again at 2636.1. It depends on how the structure is shifting. Currently, if this candle would close like this, that would be a bearish engulfing candle, which is a pretty nice bearish sign considering that it swept some liquidity here and here. I do prefer trading NQ for now. ES is super slow, especially in London, but I know many of you guys love the NQ, which is absolutely great. But I think the ES is just almost impossible to trade in London session. So I would only trade ES in the New York session because I think it's very slow in London. It's just watching paint dry. Okay, look at gold. Now it should be bumping into that 47.7 up there. First trading day in 25. Okay, maybe you should wait for the New York session. I don't think I want to force it on the NQ. I'm still looking at gold. Now should be the final push. It picked up liquidity from that 1 minute gap, 45.9. So by the way, just saying, Take Profit Trader has extended the no activation fee sale going on. And it's been extended for this week. So check it out. And if you would like to support, use the best code. Yeah, this price action right now is a little bit crazy, especially according to of what's going on. By the way, I just saw that Bitcoin is also moving up. I mean, not today, but overall throughout the weekend or for the new year. Yeah, London session is acting differently, to say the least. All right, one more pop and gold should be in the 47.7, I think. Just one more pop up there. There you go. 47.7 on gold. And now it's anybody's game. NQ is pushing it. Unstoppable. See you in New York. Thanks for dropping in. We go for 50? Yeah, we popped it. Yeah. So we popped that level. Honestly, I don't see anything that I like in this area. I don't think I'm gonna jump in. I don't know. I will stay and I will watch it, definitely, but I want to see a real nice break in the structure. But it's not happening. Oh man, I don't know. I don't know. You know what, everyone? I think I'm gonna call it here. I think I'm just gonna call it here because I just don't think I'm gonna enter a trade on NQ here. It just keeps on pushing, so I'm just gonna wait for a New York kill zone and see what's gonna happen. We could be entering into some high resistance liquidity run here, and I just don't want to sit in a trade if it goes higher. And obviously there is no structure shift, so yeah, this is it. Ended up in a bit of a drawdown, but we keep on moving forward. So I'll be back in the New York session. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. And yeah, what can I say? Trade safely. If you would like to use my code, please do so and support the channel if you would like to. And I'll be back in New York. All right. So take care, everybody. Be safe, trade safe. God bless. Cheers.